Hi guys, welcome. So let's jump right into this tutorial. First, I'm going to go ahead and start off with this organic facial scrub that I got from Amazon. It feels like sand on your skin. And then I'm going to use my olay cleansing system, and it's very good. I went ahead and I put some water on my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and distribute that product. And afterwards, I'm going to go in with that brush and do a circular motion all over for like 5-10 minutes until it's all soaked into my skin. Then afterwards, I went ahead and I washed my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and just tap it with a clean cloth. Then I'm gonna use my aloe vera. I love this so much. I got this from the Chinese store. Any store you could get it from that sells fruits and all of that stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open. It's very slimy. Look at my face. Oh my God. I do some crazy stuff with my face. And then I'm just gonna rub it all over. It feels so good on my skin. I love it so much. And I'm also gonna take the skin because they say that the skin have more vitamin in it. So I'm gonna take that skin part that I peel off, and then afterwards I'm gonna let it sit on my skin until it's completely dry. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put hot water into the container, and then I'm gonna put a washcloth in it, and it is very hot. Look at that. You could see the steam coming out. And then afterwards I'm just gonna go ahead and pat my face with this. And this will open up your pores. Next, I'm going to go into this Totally Tea Certific, if that's how you pronounce it, facial sheer mist, and it have tea tree oil in it and root extract. And I got this from Bath and Body Works, and I am in love with this. It smells good and it's very liquidy. So I'm going to go ahead, and it's a mask, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out. And then I'm gonna put it onto my face, and they say that you should leave it on your face for like 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my lip scrub, and this is in dark cherry. I got this from the from Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and scrub my lips. So next, I'm gonna take my cucumber. I never tried this before, but I heard it's really good, and I'm gonna put it over my eyes, and I'm just gonna sit there for like 10 to 15 minutes while the facial mask is on my face, and just let it soak into my skin. So afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Let me tell you something. When I took it off, my eyes feel so good, so good. And I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the scrub off my lips and take off the mask. Afterwards, they say that you have to massage the excess liquid that is on your face after you take off the mask. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I feel so good. I just don't know what to tell you, but my skin feels so good afterwards. And you guys know I have dry skin. Afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and use this stuff that I got from my I got this when I did my facial the other day, which I had told you about. This one is a hydra facial, and it have hyaluronic acid, and this is a serum. I'm gonna put it all over my face and rub it with a circular motion. Next, I'm going to take my BioCell Rejuvenating Cream, and it's very creamy and it's good for dry skin. You guys know I have dry skin, and I did put a lot. I always put a lot because my skin is so dry. You don't have to, because this is very, very, very thick and creamy, but I just want to be extra, you know. The final step is my Fenty lip balm. I love this so much. I use this every single day. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it onto my lips. And pretty much that's it, guys. This is very simple, very easy, that you could do at home. You don't have to go ahead and break the bank. Use all of these stuff that I showed you. And yeah, you will feel good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Leave a comment, like, and share. And I will pretty much see you in my next video. Bye, guys.